Hey folks, and welcome to week 13 and what is ultimately the beginning of unit number 4. So just like the other units we've done in the semester, this will be focused on a single essay, okay? So just to give you an idea of where we are, we've got weeks 13, 14, 15, and 16. That's the regular semester, so 4 weeks to work on this essay. This is a long essay. As I noted last week, it's a 7 to 10 page research project that's going to include all 4 steps of the research process, from the practical problem through to the practical solution. You guys will have the 4 weeks remaining in the semester, plus finals week to finish this up. We'll do, just like we did for our last paper, we'll start with research questions, we'll go to answers, you'll do some a little mini annotated bibliography, and we'll do peer review on a draft as per usual. You guys have into finals week to do that. That does mean, and this is really important, that the last date to turn this in is December 11th. That's Friday of finals week. If you turn it in any later than that, it's just not going to be graded, okay? So that just gives you an idea sort of as to where we're heading with this unit. So this week, we've got sort of 2 things going on. One is peer review, and completing Essay 3. The other one is, of course, that work on Essay 4. So by Thursday, I want you to look for your peer review groups and complete peer review. I should get your peer review groups together Monday afternoon, evening, so look for those instructions on Monday. Then I want you to look over your feedback on the Essay 4 proposal. If everything looks good, go ahead and break your central research question into smaller questions, use the template below, and submit the research questions just like we did for essay number 3. If you need to tweak your question, your proposal, or I go back to you and say, I don't think this is going to work, maybe we should think about this or that, go back, fix that before you move on, obviously. Okay, and then complete peer review. On Friday, I will be working to get you guys feedback in the peer review process as well. Your peers will have finished. Friday morning, I will get in there and do everything I can to give you guys feedback. Maybe even I'll start Thursday. And then, so you'll have the weekend to revise this. If you need an extra day or something past Monday to get in, I'm fine with that. Just give me the heads up and we'll chat, okay? Then I want you to look over your feedback on the research questions, okay? Excuse me, right here. So stuff that's due Monday. Look over your feedback on the research questions, and then I want you to complete the first research check-in, okay? And there's a template here. It's pretty simple. Once you've started doing research, let's ask you some basic questions about the number of sources you've got, any problems you've got. So one of the things I like about this is it lets me know what you think your best and weakest source are. That helps me to know whether or not you're doing a good job of assessing source quality. Also asks you to identify what questions you haven't answered yet. And if you have any issues at all, please just, as well as the number of sources you've got, of course, please just give me the heads up, and I will do my absolute best to help you out, okay? So that is going to be due on Monday, sort of the beginning of research. So start researching as soon as you get feedback on your Essay 4 research questions. I'll be trying to get that back on Thursday or Friday as well, okay? And then final draft of Essay 3 as well on Monday. So it'll be a busy week, but I think we've got this in hand. If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.